Okay, let us discuss with our next chapter, coordinate geometry. Now, what is meant by a plane? Plane means a flat surface which can be extended in all the directions. That is, in the plane, horizontal axis is called x-axis and vertical axis is called y-axis. The point of intersection of x and y-axis is called origin, denoted by O. X and y-axis divides the plane into 4 parts. Each part is called a quadrant. That is Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Now, quadrant is an ordered pair. The first coordinate is called x coordinate, the second one is called y coordinate. This is x positive, y positive, x negative and y negative. Now, to form a coordinate here, x value is a positive and y value is a positive, that is a q1 contains a plus plus. Q2, x coordinate is a minus and y coordinate is a plus, that is a minus plus. Third quadrant is x coordinate is a minus and y coordinate is also the minus. Now, fourth quadrant, x value is the plus and y coordinate is the minus. Therefore, we conclude that q1 is both positive values, q2 is negative and the positive, q3 is negative and negative, and q4 is positive and negative. Now, based on this, now let us go with some examples, and before going to that one, we have to learn some important concept. Point on x-axis, y is equal to 0. That is, before going to do this one, let us see some examples. Two comma minus 3 belongs to 4 comma 4 belongs to minus 5 comma 3 belongs to minus 3 comma minus 2 belongs to, and 5 comma 0 belongs to 0 comma 5 belongs to 0 comma 0 belongs to 4 comma minus 1 belongs to. Now let us see 2 minus 3, that is 2 is a positive value and 3 is the negative value. That is, plus minus belongs to the which quadrant, you can search. Plus minus belongs to the Q4. Therefore, first one belongs to the Q4. Second one, 4, 4, both are positive. Both are positive means it belongs to Q1. Minus 5 comma 3, that is a minus plus, belongs to the second quadrant, that is a Q2. Minus 3 minus 2, that is both the values are negative, that is which belongs to the Q3. Now, 5 comma 0, 5 is a positive, 0 is also positive, but 0 you think it is a positive means it is wrong. Why? Because 0 is neither negative nor positive. Then what is this concept? Okay, let us go with this 2 once again. Now, on x-axis, y values must be equals to 0, which is called as point on x-axis, y equal to 0. In the similar way, point on y axis x equal to 0, which is also called as equation of x axis y is equal to 0. Equation of y axis x equal to 0. Therefore, point, this is 5 has the value, that is 5 is in which position? X position. Therefore, it is point on x axis. Next, 0 comma 5. 0 comma 5 means here in place of x 0 is there. Just we discussed point on y axis x equal to 0. Therefore, it is point on y axis. 0 comma 0 belongs to origin. 4 comma minus 1, that is a 4 is a positive and minus 1 is a negative here, that is plus minus belongs to Q4. And we have to denote like this in one more way. Let us see. Identify the following points. Identify the following points. First one, x greater than or equal to 0, y less than 0. Second one, x less than 0, y less than 0. Third one, x equal to 0, y less than 0. Fourth one, x greater than 0, y equal to 0. Fifth one, x greater than 0, y greater than 0. Now, let us observe this. Identify the following points. X greater than or equal to 0 means some positive number. You can take any positive number in place of x. Y is less than 0. Less than 0 means it is a negative. You can take any negative number. Come to the second one. X less than 0, y less than 0. That is minus 3, minus 4. That is, you can take any negative numbers. Third one, x equal to 0. In place of x, you have to place 0. Y is less than 0. That is a minus 2. Next, x is greater than 0. That is 5. Y equal to 0. X greater than 0, 7. Y greater than 0, 8. Now you have to identify these points belongs to which quadrants. That is 5 comma minus 1 plus minus belongs to Q4. Minus 3 minus 4, minus 3 minus, both are minus values, which belongs to Q3. 0, because x value is 0, that is it is a point on y axis, that is which is a point on negative y axis. Simply we can write as y dash. Now 5 comma 0, point on positive x axis. 7 comma 8, both are positive. Both are positive means which belongs to Q1. Now, from this concept, what we understand is identify the position of the point belongs to the which quadrant. That is Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. and the points are also on positive x-axis, negative x-axis, positive y-axis and the negative y-axis. Let us see some important concepts of the coordinate geometry. If x1 comma y1 comma x2 comma y2 are the 2 points, then distance between them is now let us consider first point name is a A and second point name is a B. Now distance between them AB is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. If A of x1 comma y1, B of x2 comma y2, then midpoint of AB, that is A of x1 comma y1, B of x2 comma y2. Then suppose a midpoint O, the formula O is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2, that is O divides AB in the ratio 1:1. Next, equation of x-axis. Equation of x-axis y is equal to 0. Equation of y-axis x equal to 0. Next, if x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2 are 2 points, then slope, let us consider the name first point as A, second point as B. A of x1 comma y1, B of x2 comma y2 are the 2 points, then slope of AB is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is, when 2 points are given, the slope of is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Second, slope of a line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is minus a by b, that is minus x coefficient by y coefficient. Next concept, slope of a line making an angle theta is, slope of a line making an angle theta is m is equal to tan theta. Next, slope of x-axis is 0. Slope of y-axis is not defined. Slope of y-axis is not defined. Next key point, what is meant by a slope? What is meant by a slope? Slope nothing but making an angle x positive, y positive, y negative, x negative. That is, slope is nothing but making an angle with the positive direction of x-axis in the anti-clockwise direction is nothing but a slope, where theta nothing but inclination. Where theta changes, the slope also changes. Next key point, if two or more points lie on same line, if two or more points lie on same line, such points are said to be collinear. Such points are said to be collinear. That is, for example, on one straight line, some points are there, A, B, C, D, E. Now, A, B, C, D, E are said to be collinear to each other. That is, next, for collinear points, area will be 0. That is, all these points lie on the straight line. That is, these points cannot occupy a certain region. Therefore, we conclude that for collinear points, area will be 0. Next, we know in triangle ABC, let us consider triangle ABC, A of x1 comma y1, B of x2 comma y2, C of x3 comma y3. Now, we know very well D is the midpoint of BC, E is the midpoint of AC, F is the midpoint of AB. Now, just the line segment joining from vertex to midpoint of its opposite side is called as a median. Similarly, the line segment joining from vertex to midpoint of its opposite side is called as a median. Next, the line segment joining from vertex to midpoint of its opposite side is called median. Now, point of intersection of medians is called centroid. That is, centroid divides the medians in the ratio 2:1. That is, vertex to centroid 2 parts, centroid to midpoint 1 part. This rule is common for all the three. That is, vertex to G is the 2 parts, this is the 1 part. Similarly, vertex to G 2 parts, this is the 1 part. Therefore, centroid formula G is equal x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. That is, for a triangle, if A of x1 comma y1, B of x2 comma y2, B of x2 comma y2, C of x3 comma y3 are the vertices of the triangle, then centroid G is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. That is, next key point, slope of x-axis, slope of x-axis, already here we defined, slope of x-axis is 0 and the slope of y-axis is not defined. Let us discuss the next topic, section formula. If P of x comma y divides the line segment, joining the points a of x1 comma y1, and b of x2 comma y2 internally in the ratio m is to n is, if P of x comma y divides the line segment joining the points a of x1 comma y1, b of x2 comma y2 internally in the ratio m is to n is, a of x1 comma y1, b of x2 comma y2. For this line segment, P divides this one at any point in the ratio m is to n. Then P of x comma y equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. This is internally. In the same case, if P of x comma y divides AB externally, in the ratio m is to n is, that is, now this is a AB, this is a P. Now P of x comma y equal to mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. Next, area of a triangle. Area of a triangle ABC. If A of x1 comma y1, b of x2 comma y2, c of x3 comma y3 are vertices of triangle ABC, then area of triangle ABC equal to half modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Here the arrangement of x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 are the cyclic. That is 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. Previously we discussed with, if these points are collinear, if a of x1 comma y1, b of x2 comma y2, c of x3 comma y3 are collinear, then area of triangle ABC must be equals to 0.